Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android Personnel OS system for Toyota Tundra 2014 to 2017 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Let me open box. Okay, you can check head unit with good condition. Okay. Let me find form. Okay, this is a head unit special for Tundra. Okay, there are two harness and canvas box. Okay. Let me introduce harnesses first. Okay, you will get two harnesses. There are two harnesses. Okay, let me introduce one of harness. You can check this canvas box. Sorry, this doesn't for the Toyota harness. This is for Kia harness. Okay. This is special harness for the Toyota Tundra. Okay, this you can check radio antenna. Okay. This is special harness for Toyota. This for AUX and steering wheel control harness. This is speaker harness. Connector. This is connector for power and speaker. Okay. The head unit comes with GPS antenna and remote controller. Okay, this is original USB, external microphone, and two USB cable and external microphone, microphone. Okay. This is camera cable. This is audio cable, and you can check this subwoofer. Okay, this is video out 1 and video out 2. This is audio out front and rear, left and right. Okay. And this is AUX input, left and right. This is video input. Okay. Okay, this is drum agent. Okay, you can check this is special head unit. This have DVD player. This power button and GPS card, SD card slots. This microphone. And IR is home, back button, is volume button. Okay. You please take out this two screw before installing. It's fixed DVD in shipping. Okay, you can check back. The radio antenna is Wi-Fi antenna. These connectors. Okay, this fuse, power, and GPS. Okay, this single D. Okay. Okay, let me power 12 voltage. I'm back. Okay, you can check header unit will be start. Okay, this is your interface mute these buttons. Okay, let me check. Please take out this screw protector before using. Okay, let me check. Very fast response. Check the setting. Let me check the system. You can check this PX5 octa-core. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Let me back the home. Okay. It supports mirror link for iPhone and Android phone. Okay, it's built in Google Maps and Google Play Store. Okay. You also can change this button color on the settings. Sorry, this doesn't can be changed the color. This red button. Okay, that's all. Thank you.